Mastering Shuriken for Unity is a course that teaches you how to use Unity's built-in particle system, Shuriken. It's an industry standard and it's super important for you to know how to use this. You'll be using this a lot, especially if you're working with Unity. And, it's a bit dated as of today. They are trying to develop a new particle system, which is named Visual Effects Graph, but it's a bit unstable. I rarely ever use it. I don't like it at all. So I'm a Shuriken guy. Right. So this course comes with a couple different VFX resources for you to reverse engineer, to play and test and just kit bash around. And those will be helpful because at the end of the course, you'll need to create a couple different VFX that I want you to share with me, right? Just so I know that you understood the assignment, right? Then, this course will be pretty straightforward. We are gonna go through all the settings, all the different input fields, all the modules, all the curves, everything that comes with Shuriken should be covered in this course. And essentially, it's gonna be a pretty fun, boring ride because sometimes it gets pretty repetitive. And, that's why I'm gonna also be teaching you how to create presets. And I'm lending you a bunch of templates that I've been collecting through the years, both for, general settings, colors, curves, and all that stuff. And that allows you to kind of improve your workflow, like edit them faster, have some particles already get the same behaviors and whatnot. So it's pretty useful. And besides that, yeah, I think that's everything that's coming with this course. So I hope you enjoy it. And let's get right into it. Fighting.